Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to record Zoom meeting on laptop. So let's get started. So if you want to record your Zoom meeting on laptop, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you can do is just simply open up your Zoom application or you can access your Zoom through a browser. So what I'll do is I'll just simply open up my Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser now you just have to select your account and in search bar you have to search for zoom.com. So after searching for zoom.com, what you have to do is just simply log into your account. Just simply tap on my account and then enter the following email address and password and then log in into your account. So after logging into your account, now what you can do is in order to screen record, you just have to tap on settings. So in the left side of your screen, you will find the settings option. Just tap on settings and after tapping on settings, now over here you will find recording. Just simply tap on recording and make sure that your local recording is turned on, and after turning on your local recording now what you can do is you have to turn on this option which is automatically recording. So whenever you are in a meeting or if a meeting starts then your recording will be turned on. So you just have to turn this option on and after turning it on now you can just simply open up a Zoom meeting. So over here you will find host option. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply select an option that you like. So I'll just simply select this option which is with video off. And after selecting it, now you just have to launch your meeting. So simply tap on launch meeting and then join from your browser. So if you are using this in your device or if you have already installed it in your device, you just have to tap on join and it will automatically connect. And after joining into a meeting, now you will find a record option in the bottom of your screen. So after tapping on that option, you can just simply start a meeting and stop a meeting if you want. So after completing the recording process, now you just have to tap on end and then tap on leave meeting. And after tapping on leave meeting, the recording has been saved. So you just have to open up your files and there you can find the following recording that you have saved. So that's it guys, this is how to record Zoom meeting on laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.